Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the Forex analysis for 17th to 21st August 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in XAU USD on Friday. So as you can see on Friday we saw a 0.58% positive move. 4376.28 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone, which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do mark these levels and do watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any important topics and important levels that I'll show you in this video. So now let's talk about a weekly chart first. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a small to medium body with a bullish candle with a small lower wick and a medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 3160 level, which is indicating as a slight positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So yeah, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So as you can see, some important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. The existing level, we need to just change some levels. So you can also do the same on your chart as well. So now let's talk about the closing first. So here, 4376 is the closing. Here the direct support is 4352, direct resistance is 4380. After direct support, there is a support of 4305 and then 4250. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4400 and then 4425. So these are two important support zones and resistance zones which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do mark this level as well on your chart. So here, before I talk about my opinion in gold USD, if you want to trade and you don't have enough capital in for trade to trade in forex market, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. You have to just pass their challenge accounts and you can get funding, and once you pass the funding, whatever profit you make, 80% will be yours and 20% the company will keep or the prop firm will keep. So if you're interested in that, I have already given link in the description of prop firms with discount coupon codes which will help you to take maximum discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, use that link and coupon as well. But if you already know about prop firms and you feel that these prop firms has very strict rules, then you can also open your direct real account if you have enough capital. Then I have already given link in the description of GTC FX, which I personally use. You can also open your own real account and you can trade in GTC FX as well. If you face any issue regarding deposit and withdrawal, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will help you with the same, with everything. If you face any issue with GTC FX, I have direct contact with the GTC FX team. So if you're interested in that, I have already given link in the description. You can use the link given in the description and I will help you. And if you want to know more about it, you can still contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a negative move in this trend, that is 4305 to 4352. I'm expecting a negative closing in this trend. Even we can see a fault in this level as well, but I will only trade if I see a confirmation which is 4352. If this level gets breached with a 4-hour one-day candle closing, I will then go for a short till this level. Even will wait for this level while trailing this stop loss. But if you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 4380 gets breached with a 4-hour or a one-day candle closing. You can go for a long till 4400, which is too close, but you can also wait for 4425 as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit negative in this range. What are your expectations for this week? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.